What's going on, guys? It's Tony here. Welcome back to Rala Details, and today I'm here with my good friend Antonio from AMR Detailing, and you are a local detailer, correct?
Yes.
So that's amazing because we've been helping each other for how long?
About 3 years now.
3 years now.
Yeah.
Like we know, I know Antonio from 3 years. You came before to build an extension cord, correct?
Yes.
For his previous mobile detailing setup, and today here we are with a brand new mobile detailing setup for AMR mobile detailing. So pretty excited. I know you are excited about it.
It's great.
What do you think about it, bro?
It's great. I'm like, this is going to make everything so much easier, being able to work everything right off the back instead of had to keep on getting in the van, out the van, in the van, out the van. So this is going to be perfect. Everything will be working right off the back. I got my toolbox right here for my towels. I got my dirty towels, and then it's just perfect. Everything, my bottle holders, everything's right here.
Amazing. Yeah. So over here, as you guys can see, we do have also, you went with the Predator 5000, right?
Yes.
Amazing. That's a nice generator, by the way. And it's set on a nice generator slide out, capable to hold 500 pounds. And then up here, we have also more space. What are you going to use this space for?
I probably put my steamer here
Okay.
or stuff I need to carry on the fly just in case I need some extra stuff.
Awesome. Let's move to the other side, brother.
All right.
What we got going on over here, brother?
I got my pad holders. I got my polisher holders here, my pad holders, my bucket filler tank. And look in here, I got a quick connect for my water hose, so there's no more unscrewing the top to put the water hose in there to get water. I got a float valve in here also, so that it automatically it'll cut off when I'm finished filling. I don't have to worry about no spills or anything anymore.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Oh yeah, I got my vacuum beast over here. I got my gallon hose. This adjustable too, if I need to raise it up or down.
Correct. You can bring it down if you would like. Yeah.
And
depends on what you want to put in there.
And I got my Fortress air compressor in there.
Yep.
Oh, it's the perfect setup, Tony. I really love it. Perfect setup.
You, bro. Appreciate you.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Yeah, a couple more things that we can say about these setups, guys, over here. As you guys can see, we have another one here. This is the frame. And this right here represents like the foundation for any, like, let's say, any mobile detailing setup. Let's say when you're building a house, you want to make sure that the footers or the foundation is solid. That way, your house obviously is gonna last forever. So that's the idea as well, to having a good foundation before you start putting anything inside the van. Aluminum. A couple things that we need to talk about aluminum is that it's lightweight.
Right, lightweight.
Like it's super sturdy. Like it's so strong. I can stand, on the shelves and everything if I want. That is not gonna bend. It's not gonna do anything, guys. So this thing is an amazing frame. And now, as you guys can see, it has some bolts around because we are doing them now like with bolts. That way we can ship it super easy. As you guys can see, we have another one here in the floor, so you guys gonna receive like a small box, and you guys gonna be able to put it together with the video that we're gonna be providing as well. We can talk about the bottle holders, polisher holders, and stuff like that. That's the stuff that when you guys order a full setup, it's gonna come with them, so diamond predators and stuff like that. So it's amazing. So what else you have to say, brother?
I can tell you from previous experience about my frames, this frame is sturdy. I bought a frame from another company. I'm not gonna mention their name.
Okay.
But the frame started rusting. It was bending from the water tank, and with the water tank expanded, the frame was bending and everything.
Really?
This is the way to go if you're looking for a mobile detail setup.
All right, brother. Thank you so much.
No, thank you, brother.
Really appreciate the support and everything, the trust as well. So yeah, guys, if you guys are looking for something like this, you guys already know where to go. Run the details. Let's go.